When we talk about EtaPRO in this industry, we are talking about a comprehensive solution. We are talking about a turnkey solution from A to Z.
There's so many different point solutions out in the market. There's data historians, there's anomaly detection, there's some thermodynamic modeling, there's vibration. All those things are out there and different levels of capability and market coverage. I think what EtaPRO does is it bridges those all together.
On top of this, the expertise in EtaPRO and the subject matter expert in these solutions can make the difference.
EtaPRO is not only proven technology providers, but we are also experts in the power plant performance and reliability monitoring. So we not only help you deploy our technologies, but also helping the customers understand and how to use that particular software or technologies better, and from there provide an expertise, advisories, services to help you improve your plant performance and also detects any anomalies.
We understand what are the critical points that we're looking at, what can stop the plant, what can trip the plant, what are the indications that there's low performance happening.
So we do some pretty high-end monitoring, for example, using our predictor technology, where we can help with balancing, we can help diagnose root causes, not just the fact that you have high vibration, but specifically what's causing it. And is it misalignment? Is it out of balance? And so those technologies they are designed to work together.
We have one customer in the Philippines. They are coal-fired power plants, and they have basically achieved their ROI within 6 months after they deploy EtaPRO.
So if a customer of a power plant needs a digital solution for the thermal performance or for the performance of the plant if it's renewable, including the asset reliability and the predictive analytics, and on top of that have a robust historian, they only have EtaPRO in mind.